Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Today's video is going to be part of a collaboration for Autism Awareness, and for that collaboration, we will be doing blue looks, and I'll be using the Blueprint palette from Melt Cosmetics. I got it a few months ago, and I've not used it very much, so I'm glad to have another opportunity to dive in and play. And be part of this collab. It's very exciting. I've worked with people as a social worker who are on the spectrum. I have friends who have children on the spectrum. I know adults on the spectrum. And, you know, it's not just cut and dried. It's not always obvious when somebody is on the autism spectrum. So, you know, you never know. So it's good to be open-minded and know that person next to you could have autism and you would never know. So be thoughtful. So this is what the palette looks like if you did not remember. It is so brilliantly blue and it's got great neutrals with it as well. So let's get in here and get it started with a crease color. I'm going to go in with Nailed, and it is a shimmer brown. Well, it's more of a khaki kind of color. Oh, it's looking very brown. It's a little heavy over here. But that is much darker than I expected it to be. But it's still a great beginning for a look. I think that's still a little heavy. It's a very bold beginning look. Then next I'm going to dive into some blue. I'm going to go into Deadbolt here. A little fallout. That is very pretty. And I think I'm going to go darker on my lid with King Stud. So dramatic. I think I'm going to go a little darker in the crease. With Dim Out. Oh, this is looking really amazing. This is really cool. I'm going to go into this Tarte Single Gold color and put this under my brow. With my fingertip. Now I just need to blend that out. The blending brush. This is such a dramatic look. I love it. And I'm going to have to go a little more dramatic on the lip, I think. The nude lip. And some liner and mascara. And I think we're going to go with the Tank Liner from Milani. I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup. A little bit of foundation and concealer. Deep dog eyes. And let's do that mascara with Pat McGrath Dark Star Mascara. Maybe I'll keep the lip the same. It's so dramatic. I don't want to take any attention away from the eyes. So there we have it, a look with the Blueprint palette from Melt Cosmetics for Autism Awareness Month. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. I'll see you real soon.